Threading a Singer Stylist 522. There are two spool pin locations. You can use either one. There's a guide here connected to the bobbin winding button. There's a guide above the tensioner. The thread goes around the tensioner, under the spring finger, up over that hook in the tensioner, and then it goes back through this wide thread guide. The take-up arm, thread guide on the front of the machine, thread guide on the needle bar, and then it threads from front to back. Through the needle. Bobbin winding for the Singer Stylist 522. This is a pretty standard tension button here. So one of the spool pins around the front of the tension button, the thread crosses over, and then it goes around the bobbin. The bobbin winder has a knob to shift it into place, and the clutch on the end of the hand wheel to loosen the machine for bobbin winding. And when it's free, it pops free. Bobbin case removal, replacement, and bobbin insertion for the 522 Stylist. We'll pop our bobbin out of the way here. To remove the bobbin case for cleaning, you slide the bobbin cover all the way open. It's going to raise the button so you can remove the needle plate. Under the needle plate has this retainer, and then the bobbin case lifts out. You can clean underneath it, and then set the bobbin case back in, and it rides in the groove on the hook. And then you have to get this finger back in place to make sure that the bobbin case doesn't jump out of place. And we will set our needle plate. And to insert a bobbin, we want the bobbin to unroll counterclockwise. It goes in the first groove on the case and then comes out the second groove. Lays across the top there. Close our cover, and now it's ready to be drawn up.